Welcome back to another session on the couch. My name is Mac Rapapali, and joining me is the MD of Clear Access, Jaco Menard. How's it going, my legend?
Thank you, Mac. I'm well, and you?
Superb, no complaints at all. So earlier on, I was having a conversation with Jaco about backhauls, congestions, and obviously connections, and I got a bit lost. So he's here to explain this in detail to me and you. How do you manage your network?
Mac, at Clear Access, we pride ourselves in the monitoring and maintenance of our network and backhauls. The success and resilience of our network is a direct result of the capacity bandwidth demands of the broadcast industry. Based on this, our backhauls have to be extremely reliable and exceptionally efficient. To explain the intelligence of our network and the importance of our backhaul, we've created a simple animation. Imagine this blue data light as you, our Clear Access customer, traveling through our network. The backhauls are the roads which connect you to your destination, the internet. Along your journey, you'll meet other data lights, other home or business customers. The more data lights traveling through the backhaul, the more potential for congestion. This is when a customer will experience lagging and buffering when streaming or browsing the internet. Think of an ordinary network as a 3-lane highway connecting you to the internet. As a comparison, Clear Access Network was developed and designed to a massive 6-lane highway to accommodate data, making it more efficient and reliable. That means all Clear Access customers will always get the speed they pay for. Now that's not all. Let's imagine there's a break of some kind in the backhaul, a sinkhole in the highway, and the traffic is at a complete standstill. At Clear Access, we have a solution. To ensure the resilience of our network, we create alternative pathways to reroute customers and keep them going. These alternative pathways are backhauls which all link together, creating a superhighway for our customers. As you can see, our network is intelligent, adaptive, resilient, and it just works.
Thank you so much, Jaco. We truly appreciate you explaining this in detail to us. To get connected and for more information, visit the Clear Access website. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and subscribe down below. Share with friends and family and follow Clear Access on all their social media platforms. We will see you next time around. Subscribe.